The future is full of puzzles. We decode them, future decoded. Imagine having an AI assistant that's always available, answers your questions in seconds, and never sends your personal data to a company on the internet. No cloud servers, no subscriptions, no internet connection required, just your computer and your own private AI. It might sound like science fiction, but it's already possible. Most people use AI through services like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. These tools are incredibly powerful, but they all have one thing in common. Your requests are usually processed on powerful computers owned by someone else. Every question you ask has to travel across the internet before an answer comes back. For many people, that's completely fine. But for others, it's becoming a growing concern. What if you're working with private business documents, personal journals, research notes, or confidential code that you don't want uploaded to the cloud? As AI becomes part of our daily lives, more people are asking an important question. Can I have all the benefits of AI without giving up control of my data? The answer is yes. Thanks to recent advances in open source AI, you can now build your own private AI brain that runs entirely on your own computer. It can write, summarize, explain, brainstorm ideas, help with coding, and answer questions, all without needing to send your conversations to a cloud service while it's running locally. Today, I'll show you exactly how it works, what you'll need, and how you can set up your own private AI in just a few simple steps. But before we start building, let's understand what a local AI actually is. Think of cloud AI like renting a powerful computer in another city. Every time you ask a question, your message travels to that remote computer, it processes the request, and then sends the answer back to you. A local AI works differently. Instead of using someone else's computer, everything happens on your own device. The AI model is downloaded onto your computer, and every calculation stays there. If you disconnect your internet after installing everything, the AI can still keep working. That's why many people call it a private AI. This doesn't automatically make local AI better than cloud AI in every way. Large cloud-based models often have access to more computing power and may perform better on some complex tasks. But for privacy, offline access, and full control over your own data, running AI locally has some clear advantages. So, what do you actually need? The good news is that you don't need a supercomputer. If you have a modern Windows PC, Mac, or Linux computer with at least 16 gigabytes of RAM, you're already in a good position to run many smaller AI models. More memory and a dedicated graphics card can improve performance, especially with larger models, but they're not required to get started. Next, you'll need software that can run AI models locally. One of the easiest options is Ollama, a free tool that lets you download and run many popular open-source language models with just a few commands. Finally, you'll choose an AI model. There are several excellent options available today. Some models are designed for fast conversations, others are better at coding, and some focus on reasoning or general knowledge. The best choice depends on what you want your AI assistant to do. The exciting part is that you're not locked into a single company or ecosystem. You can experiment with different models and switch between them whenever you want. In the next part of this video, we'll install everything step by step. Download your first AI model and turn your computer into a private AI assistant that works even when the internet is disconnected. Now it's time to bring your private AI brain to life. The first step is installing Ollama, one of the easiest tools for running large language models on your own computer. Once it's installed, you can download an AI model with a single command. Within a few minutes, your computer will have its own AI assistant ready to use. Next comes choosing your model. If you're looking for an all-around assistant, models like Llama, Quen, Gemma, or Mistral are excellent places to start. Each has its own strengths. Some are better at writing, some excel at coding, and others focus on reasoning or speed. The best part is that you're free to experiment until you find the one that matches your needs. Once the model has finished downloading, simply start chatting. Ask it to explain difficult topics, summarize long documents, brainstorm business ideas, write emails, generate code, or even help you learn a new skill. Because everything is running on your own computer, responses can feel fast and natural, especially for smaller models. But here's where things become even more interesting. A private AI becomes much more powerful when it understands your information. Imagine connecting it to your notes, PDFs, research papers, manuals, or work documents. Instead of answering with only its general knowledge, it can search through your own files and provide answers based on the information you already have. This technique is commonly known as Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. Don't let the name intimidate you. Think of it like giving your AI its own personal library. Whenever you ask a question, it looks through your documents, finds the most relevant information, and then uses that information to generate an answer. This allows the AI to become far more useful without needing to memorize every detail. You can take things even further by adding voice input, text-to-speech, or automation tools. Suddenly, your computer isn't just running an AI model. It becomes a personal assistant that can help organize your workflow, answer questions about your own files, and support your daily tasks. Of course, local AI isn't perfect. The most advanced cloud-based AI systems often have access to significantly more computing power and may perform better on highly complex reasoning tasks. Running larger models locally also requires more RAM, faster storage, and sometimes a dedicated graphics card. Another consideration is updates. Unlike cloud services that improve automatically, you're responsible for downloading newer models and software updates yourself. Even with these trade-offs, local AI is improving at an incredible pace. Every year, open-source models become smarter, faster, and more efficient. Computers are gaining more powerful AI hardware, and software continues to make local models easier to install and use. Tasks that once required expensive servers can now run on laptops and desktop computers. This shift is changing the future of artificial intelligence. Instead of relying only on massive data centers, more people will have the option to run capable AI directly on their own devices. For many users, it won't be about replacing cloud AI. It will be about choosing the right tool for the right situation. Sometimes the cloud makes sense. Other times, privacy, offline access, and complete control matter more. Your own computer is no longer just a machine for browsing the web or writing documents. With the right software and the right model, it can become your own private AI brain, ready whenever you need it, under your control, and built around the way you work. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Future Decoded. The future is full of puzzles.